So I'm here still at the Global Excavation Conference, and I am here with Jay. What do you do to help keep people safe in trenches and keep the utilities safe when they do that type of work?
Sure. So at National Trench Safety, we provide protective systems for any construction workers or contractors that are doing underground work. In our industry, year after year, there's a lot of people that lose their life in excavation work when trench walls collapse. So we provide the product and the equipment that shores and shields the excavation.
Now, do you think it's important for people to use 811 in America?
I do. That's step one in the excavation process, right? We've got to understand where the locates are before we can start digging, or get locates before we can start digging. Once the utilities are exposed and we put personnel on the ground, then the protective system from National Trench Safety is where that becomes important. But absolutely, step one is identifying those utilities, their locates with 811.
Well, thank you for all you do.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, and I'll see you later on.
Yes, sir.